Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how the color trigger works. Okay, so the color trigger is actually pretty easy to use. Most people know it, but some don't, so I will just explain everything. So color has an ID. You can change it to what number you want. 999 is the max. Oh, is the maximum. See, like if you type in 1000, it would 100 would just show up. Yeah, so 999 is the maximum. So let's just type in one. You can change the color to what color you like. You can also change it like here, but let's just do it with this. I don't know. It's like a circle with colors, with that kind of thing. When you go to copy color, you can change the brightness, the saturation, and yeah, that's it. Mostly, you don't even need that. Most don't need this thing. You can also change the background. It's in the special color select. If you select background, let's just yeah, white. The background would change to white. Same things happen. Same thing happens with ground one. When you select ground, the ground turns white. Yeah, so simple. Let's just type in one again. There's a fade time you can type in. 50 is the standard, but yeah, the more bigger the the number is, it takes more longer. Okay. And the smaller numbers will take shorter time. So let's do background again. And 50 is the standard, right? It looks like this in 50 milliseconds. We can change that to 20 and it will change the color much quicker. See? Oh, yeah, there's a kind of bug on my phone. Okay. When I can't move anything. We can also change it, make it take much longer, like 1 second and 50 milliseconds. See, it kind of fades in slowly. Yeah. We put in the standard time in. Okay. Now I will show you how to change the color of objects. So some people just go to the color special color set and select object, but don't do that. That's not useful. So there's a better way to do that. So first you take an object. I take these white things. Okay. Default means it has its like own object color, but no. If you want the object to be the color that is on the color ID, color trigger, you these IDs, the ID of the color trigger and of the object has to match. So the color ID of the trigger is 1. Okay, now we go to the base color and select 1. See? So the object is already white, so we change the color on the trigger, make it just purple, pink. Okay. This happens. See, the color changes, and you can do it much faster. See, pretty cool, right? Yeah. There's also a detail, which means like the inside, not the surroundings. Yeah, I have a better example, like this. Maybe 1. See? Right here, only the base is pink, because I only selected base 1. But you can also put in detail. Oh, it doesn't work. So yeah, with these it doesn't work. Actually, kind of new to me. I didn't know that. But these white objects, I mean, they're almost the same. Wait, look. Here. Now, if you only select 1 in the by the base or inside, let's just do default on detail. Hello. I hope it is default. Only the base. Oh, wait. So yeah. It's if you only put in detail 1. Wait. Oh, now it's only like the inside. See? Okay. So it's just the basics. That's all you need to know, but there's still more you can do. So there's also a pulse trigger. It's almost the same as the color trigger, but it does something also different. So if you match the ID of the trigger with some kind of object, you can like change the color. Yeah, like the fade in, how much it takes to fade in, how long it takes, how long it holds the color, how long the color stays, and the fade out, yeah, when the color just like disappears and the object goes to its normal color. Yeah, this trigger is pretty useful and is much easier to use in 9 circles levels than these color triggers, but you can also use the color triggers. It's just much easier with these pulse triggers. Yeah. And if you wonder what 9 circles is, you probably know what 9 circles is. Like that pretty cool effect, right, with the objects. Let me show you how to do this. So you just take these blocks. Now they're all pink because they're at the ID 1. Let's just make the background black, so you can see the colors more. Or no, let's just do it like gray. Yeah, that's good. So yeah. The first color is going to be a bit lighter, like this. Then we just copy paste this and put it to ID 2. Copy paste this color trigger, put it to 2, and make the color slightly darker. See this? Yeah. So you make one again. Uh-ohs. Yeah. Wait. We actually only need this. So yeah. And put it to color 3. We just make this a little. Wait. Color 3 is going to be just this. We're gonna make 4 triggers, color triggers. Yeah. Bam. Copy paste that. Yeah. Now we copy paste this. Okay. And now we're gonna make the 4. Bam. And trigger 4 is going to be black. Now it just looks like. Wait. Oh. Forgot to make a 4. Yeah, now it looks like this. Cool. But we're not done. So, let's copy paste this. Bam. Okay, cool. Yeah. We made it. So what we're gonna do now is copy paste this. Yeah. Turn this to color ID 1. This to 4. This to 3. And this to 2. Now we copy paste it again. Make this 1. Make this 2. Make this 4 and make this 3. Okay. Copy paste it again. Now we make the 2 to 3. 2. Yeah, 1. And this 4. Okay. Cool. Bam. Make the 4. Make this 3. And 2 and 1. We're done with our loop. We can just copy paste it. Bam. it will look like this. Cool, right? Basically you're done. Yeah, build speed. And the hitboxes. Wait. Yeah. That's it. You can also add an alpha trigger. Make it to opacity 0. Fade time 0. Group ID 7. What you like. Bam bam. Bam bam. Bam. Now we'll just have to copy paste. Literally one of my favorite buttons. Now we select all this, bam, and add it to group ID 7 to make it literally invisible, the hitbox, you know? Now it looks like this. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and learned some about the color triggers and also 9 circles. So yeah, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.